Good morning, everyone. It's now 5th of February. I got some good news because I was overnight finally approved for both Facebook monetization as well as accepted as a YouTube partner. I still have to meet another threshold for YouTube to be actually monetizing the videos, but now I'm officially monetizable on YouTube overall, but currently only with your subscriptions. But that's good for now. I have to start making these videos anyway, because those would be the ones that get me paid and not stupid shorts. I'm now in this $12 million house in Miami, doing a quick walkthrough, because like every other Florida built home, they come with their own problems, including this one, even though it's a brand new construction. So making sure everything looks good, everything is clean, because like most of the others, this house is also on sale, and that means people, realtors, and people come in and out like at least once a day. So everything needs to be staged appropriately for any time someone wants to rent it. And this house has been empty for like 2-3 weeks almost. So I'll have to send by someone to do some minor cleaning before the next rental, which is supposed to be in 2 days. And you can, let me turn around the camera. This is a big, this is a big house, and I've put the fish lens on now, so it's a little bit curved, but it's a huge house, super expensive furniture. Everything is like designer. The guy who, the architect, the builder who built this house also built the house next to it. I believe the two which are, you can't see them, but across the street here, and maybe even the one across the street over there. So this is super high quality, all of it. And these are all huge master king suites. They all have bathroom inside, big ass TVs, and then custom furniture. Kodak Black, he was live streaming in the shower and he slipped and his phone fell and he exposed himself in front of like 10,000 people. That's so funny. Let me play a quick session on this piano, the only song I'm able to play, sort of. I tried. So my main issue with this house is that it's supposed to be a smart house, meaning every single room has this like a smart tablet on the wall, and you can control the pool. Like if I turn on bubbles here, now the bubbles over there start the little fountain. Or is it the spa bubbles? No, it's a spa bubbles. And that's always a problem because this gets disconnected from the pool equipment and doesn't work properly. And the same goes for the AC, which is not connected right now. And I guess shades don't matter, and the music too. You're supposed to just connect it with your phone and then play something, but that doesn't always work. Other than that, this is a very nice house. So everything is looking good, and I can head out again. I have a couple of stops. Also, I just had a briefing with everyone else about this hotel that we're buying. A 15-unit place, 15-unit hotel in South Beach. We're getting the keys on the 15th this month. And then there's gonna be a lot of management work. And I'm the one taking that over for the moment until we actually hire someone specifically for this hotel. But yeah, that's gonna be a big project for multiple reasons. I'm now in South Beach. I'm bringing this to USPS really quick, shipping it out to the designer. I just passed by the Nespresso boutique here in South Beach and got a bunch of these sleeves. I try to leave different types of coffees every time someone checks in, but this is like the basic, the go-to. And now I'll also pass by the hotel that we're acquiring in 2 weeks, in 1 week, just to see it from the outside. It's like 5 minutes from here. I am not a big fan of this street because it's so tight. There's people parking on the side all over the place. There's generally very little parking. That's why people have to park here. And then there's always traffic. Right now it's 1 p.m. so it's pretty tranquil, but this gets like clogged up so quickly. I thought the hotel was like further up to Alton Road, but it's like right here on Collins. Let's see, it's one of these buildings here. This one, maybe. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Or this one. Probably this one. That's a much better location because it's like right on the beach. If you pass this block, the Lumos Park starts. And then that's right on the beach. So this is a great spot. Seriously. Good job, Jonathan. This is a great location and this hotel is gonna stay busy. And from the moment that we get the keys, there's reservations coming in. So this is gonna be like a little difficult, changing and painting and putting new furniture if there's bookings coming in and out every single day from the first second pretty much. I'm passing the MacArthur Causeway right now. We have all of the cruise ships lined up on the port of Miami, and then behind these bushes on my right are one of the most exclusive living areas in whole Miami. Hibiscus Island and Star Island, and yeah, these two. It's 6th of February. Pretty much all day I've been dealing with petty problems and making phone calls. Nothing really I can film or want to film or want to show and record. But now I'm on my way home. It is 5:44. I'm stuck in the beautiful Miami traffic. I'm on I-95 and any time from 3 to 6 or 7, it's awful. It's gonna take me an hour and a half to get from out of downtown, I was in Coral Gables, home to North Miami Beach. Even though it's just a straight 18 mile drive. So unnecessary. And for tomorrow I had to, because we just got a new house, like $5-6 million house in Fort Lauderdale, which is beautiful. It's a new construction, very modern, huge spot, floor to ceiling windows on pretty much every single bedroom. And now I have to hire movers to get also a beautiful 10-foot long solid wooden table, which is in a garage in Miami Beach, as well as a huge sectional couch to that new house. And then over the next week or so, we're gonna see how and where we get all of the decor and furniture for that house, because we want it ready in a week from now. That's it for today. Also, I'm very hungry.